Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A5 Sportback S-Line. It comes dressed in the gorgeous glacier white, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you had the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 19-inch alloy wheels, with a 5-spoke design making a bold statement. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic, for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you've had the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the USB charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi A5 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.